In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly share a file from Google Drive to WhatsApp. This is a handy trick if you want to quickly share documents, images, or any file type stored in your Google Drive with friends, family, or colleagues using WhatsApp. So let's dive right in and get started. First up, you need to head over to your Google Drive. It's a good idea to make sure you're logged into the right account where your file is stored. Once you've set that, navigate through your folders or use the search bar at the top to locate the specific file you want to share. Whether it's a document, a photo, or a video, this method works the same for all file types on Google Drive. With the right file in sight, the next thing to do is right-click on it. This action will pop up a menu. From this menu, you're going to see an option labeled Share. Select that option, and you'll be greeted with a new window that offers various sharing settings. In this window, look out for the section designated as General Access. By default, this might be set to restricted, meaning others can't access your file unless invited via email. We need to change this. Click on it and select Anyone with the link. This change will ensure anyone you send the link to can access the file without issues. Remember, it's vital to do this step if you want anyone outside your Google contacts to access the file. Now that your file is set to be shared with anyone who has the link, the next step is essential. You want to look for the Copy Link button, usually located towards the bottom right of the sharing window. Go ahead and click that. This will copy the link to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you need. With your link all set and ready to go, it's time to open your WhatsApp application. Whether you're using it on your phone or your computer via WhatsApp web, the process is the same. Navigate to the chat or group where you want to send the file. In the message input field, paste the copied link. It's usually as easy as right-clicking and selecting paste, or using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The link you paste will allow anyone in that chat to access the file you shared on Google Drive, provided they have the link. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a Google Drive file via WhatsApp by following these simple steps. This method is a great way to share large files that might not send directly through WhatsApp due to file size limitations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need